Hello, welcome to the Happy Micro Maths moment by Bubbly Maths, all to celebrate our Happy Maths summer camp that starts the week after. It starts on the 5th of August, 2 weeks time. And we're going to do 8 sessions twice a week at 10 a.m. That's 10 a.m. London time. And if you have a child who is nervous about maths, got math anxiety, has struggled with maths over the last year or longer, the idea is we're going to play games. We're going to play games with the family so that as a family you can continue to play the games, and the child, the learners in your family that need to improve will improve, and the learners that are enjoying maths already will also improve. So the games are what they call low entry, high ceiling. So people enter at whatever point they're at now, and then it can stretch people at any level. So I've got a comment. See my comment. Hello. Oh, thumbs up. Good. So today we're going to be looking at paper sticks, and we're going to be doing quite a lot of paper sticks, so get ready to get some scrap paper, some A4 papers, fine newspaper, any scrap paper, sticky tape, and packing tape. Packing tape's all you need. I'm going to just move out of the way because I've got, it's going to be a lot better if I do it this way so you can see what I'm doing. So we've got, that's a paper stick. There should actually be a piece of string on both ends, but so it'll be either that long or shorter. We've also got a meter length stick, which should be that long, which we'll be doing fractions on and all kinds of things and giant measurings. And then what you can do with them, so many things. Here is a basic thing, which is 12 sticks. And very, very basic thing is look at perimeters. So that's a 1 by 5 of a rectangle in this particular case, 1 stick by 5 sticks. And you can look at the area that makes, where you can see it makes, if you count the sticks going across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's got 5 square, let's say if each stick is 1 unit, it's 5 square units. Well, what happens if we change the shape slightly? What happens if we go to 2? Now the perimeter is the same. We haven't changed the amount of sticks. So the perimeter is the same. The shape's different. It's a 2 by 4. And the area has changed. Now we can count 1, 2, 3, 4 square units on top, and another 4 on the bottom. So that's a total of 8 square units. We'll be looking at that in more detail. And then what other shapes can we make? Well, I was working out a way to do this earlier. If I just sit it on the chair, really, it's kind of, if it's still 12 units long, the perimeter is 12 units. And so we have 3 by 3, so it's 3 squared. And if you 3 squared, the amount of squares in the middle, and you can actually create with your paper sticks, create a matrix with those squares so you can actually count them. And that will be 9 square units inside. And then you can do other things other than rectangles, and that's where it would be stretching out to, so younger children will simply play, and older children can talk about area, perimeter, and the stuff like that. We're going to make shapes with them. We're going to do the bendy cube. Bendy cube's super fun. We can just make, well, everyone can have their own bendy cube. My bendy cube's so much fun. It's all got tangled it up together. Hello, bendy cube. There you go. So that's a cube. But because the structure of a square, this is just a skeleton of a cube. If you could actually build panels so that it would be a solid, even so it's not the most strong shape structurally. But when you've just got the skeleton, especially since the vertices aren't rigid, you can create so many different shapes. This is my favorite right here, like whoopsie, like so. Now it's hard to actually tell if that is a cube, like a 2D representation of a cube, or if it's actually a 2D hexagon made out of 6 triangles, so many learnings to have out of that. And then there, you can bend it into all different shapes and play with it. And oh my goodness, how did I make a cube into just a pile of sticks? And then, of course, you can have longer ones. We've got way a much longer one here, which is very hard for me to demonstrate on the screen because it's so big. But the idea is you can make them all different sizes. You can make them whatever length you want. And we will be playing with paper sticks during the Happy Maths Summer Camp. And it's all about play, doing crafts, creating games that you can continue to play on an ongoing basis, because the drilling the skills in maths, you learn, first of all, you learn a lot by playing the games on a continuing basis. You've got strategy, you've got being systematic, you've got all kinds of things. You'd be literally training the skills as you play the games, but also as the learner's skills improve, you can take the game up another notch and up another notch, and everyone in the family can enjoy the process. Now today's happy bubbly maths moment. Happy maths, I've forgotten what it is. It's a happy maths moment. And I'll see you tomorrow, same time, with another moment to leading up to our 8 sessions of Happy Maths Summer Camp starting on the 8th of August. If you're interested, by the way, the details are in the description, depending what platform you're on. It'll be above or below. There's a link to inquire about the Happy Maths Summer Camp. So please do. We've got a few families signing up already. So please come and join us. We're going to have some fun and learn maths in a way that the whole family can benefit from, and actually do something engaging, interesting during the summer holidays, and be better prepared for the start of term in whenever your term starts. See you tomorrow. Thank you.